Welcome to Our Daily Health. Dry eyes. 11 home remedies for dry eyes. Did you know that having dry eyes is a symptom of unhealthy eyes, and if not properly cared for, can lead to blurry vision over time? Dry eyes are a health condition that has turned into a silent disease over the years. It occurs as a result of insufficient water in the eyes. The tears produced regularly by the eyes are from a source known as tear film. The tear film is a tear gland that helps to prevent our eyes from getting dry and enables clear vision with every blink of the eyes. The inability of your tear glands to produce enough tears results in rapid breakdown of the tear film, and before you know it, the surface of your eyes become covered with dry spots, which will eventually lead to dry eyes. In this video, you'll learn 11 remedies that you can try at home to manage dry eyes. Dry eyes. 11 home remedies for dry eyes. Number 1. More blinking. As you have now realized that lack of sufficient tears in the eyes leads to dry eyes, the first thing you should work towards is how to ensure your tear glands produce enough tears for your eyes. The simple trick to that is to ensure your eyes are always moist by blinking more often. There are times you find yourself involved in an activity that requires your full attention for long hours, like using your computer for several hours. In times like this, you should close your eyes every 20 minutes for 20 seconds. It is called the 20-20 rule. Also, avoid direct eye contact with lights that are too bright, mostly from your computer. This will slow down the rate at which your tears evaporate from your eyes in between the blinking of the eyes. Number 2. Stay hydrated. One of the major reasons people have dry eyes is having inadequate water in the body. One thing you should always keep in mind is the need to remain constantly hydrated, irrespective of whether your eyes feel dry or not. You don't have to wait until you are thirsty before you take that cup of water. Ensure you drink between 8 to 10 glasses of water in a day to maintain the water balance in your body. If you are not a fan of plain water, you can balance that with fruits that contain a large percentage of water, or other forms of liquid that don't contain alcohol or caffeine. You can always confirm your hydration status from your urine. A colored pee indicates nothing but dehydration, but if your pee is slightly yellow or colorless, it means you are well hydrated. Number 3. Get warm compress. Your tears comprise of oil, mucus, and water. All these 3 components need to remain moistened to avoid any form of complications like dry eyes. The eyes need all of these 3 components in a healthy and moistened form for them to work properly. This may, however, not be the case if you are with an inflamed or flaky eye. An inflamed or flaky eyelid may block up the oil-making glands along your eyelid and result in a dry eye because of lack of enough supplement. The best way to reduce irritations like this is to get a clean piece of cloth and soak it with warm water, squeeze it out, then place the damp cloth in your closed eyes for about 1 to 2 minutes. By doing this, the moistened heat from the damp cloth will help dissolve the clogged oils around your eyelids and keep all activities balanced. Getting a warm compress daily, even when your eyes are better or healed, will help prevent inflammation or flaky eyelids. Number 4. Healthy fats. Research has suggested that healthy fats help the gland producing the oil in your eyelids work better. Eat foods such as sardines, trout, vegetable oil, and other foods that are rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Number 5. Use of humidifier and filter. A humidifier helps put moisture in the air, while the filter catches dust, pollutants, and other particulates within your home. These devices can help you add moisture to your home to prevent dry indoor air and dry eyes. The aim is to ensure your eyes are functioning in a conducive environment that will not trigger any form of irritation. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 6. Eye drops. A general behavior when having any form of irritation in your eyes is to get an eye drop to reduce the discomfort. However, this is not advisable if you don't know the do's and don'ts of these eye drops. There are a lot of brands of eye drops out there ready to be purchased. How then do you know the right one to get at the right time? You should know that some eye drops have preservatives in them, while some do not have any at all. Regularly using the ones with preservatives can lead to irritation of the eyes. Avoid using eye drops, and its main purpose is to clear the redness of the eye. Continuous usage of drops like that might also result to dry eyes. Number 7. Check your environment. Another common factor of dry eyes is the environmental factor. A very windy or sunny environment can affect the moisture in your eyes if proper care is not taken. It is advisable to use wraparound sunglasses in such an environment. Number 8. Rest the eyes. One thing people hardly give chance to is resting the eyes. Continuous watching of TV, reading, or usage of a computer can lead to dry eyes. These habits can dry out your eyes, so it is important to take a rest so your eyes can regain any lost moisture. Number 9. Wash your eyelids. As mentioned, have a warm compress daily to prevent inflammation of the eye. Ensure you wash your eyes completely after this process to avoid irritating the eyes. Number 10. Avoid smokes. Smokes can easily trigger up irritation in the eye. You should always stay away from anything related to smoke. Cigarettes should not even be near it at all, as it increases the risk of getting dry eyes. Number 11. Make use of ointment. Ointments are usually thicker when compared to drops. They are designed in such a way that their major function is to coat the eyeball and prevent the eye from experiencing dryness. It is, however, advisable to make use of ointment when you want to go to bed so it doesn't impair your vision. Bottom line, our eyes are very delicate, sensitive, and a fragile part of your body that require our utmost attention at all times. Any form of irritation experienced in the eyes should not be taken for granted at any point in time. Dry eyes are mostly permanent if it's not properly taken care of immediately. Which of these home remedies for dry eyes do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.